Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The Mr. of Filipinas Worldwide Batangas 2024 candidates are set to compete for the title that will allow the winner to represent Batangas in the upcoming Mr. Filipinas Worldwide pageant. And these young men will showcase their talents, charisma, and advocacies, aiming to make an impact on both the national and international stage. Ron Errol Balagso, representing Bambang, is an advocate for mental health awareness and personal development. With a background in psychology, he focuses on promoting emotional intelligence and resilience among the youth. Ron Errol believes that mental health is a crucial aspect of overall well-being and aims to destigmatize conversations around it. He is involved in organizing workshops and seminars that address mental health issues and provide support for those in need. His calm and empathetic approach, along with his strong dedication to his advocacy, makes him a compelling candidate who is ready to make a positive impact.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!